My name is Roland and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show to you how you can make a rabbit hole video. Yes, very cool effect by using your phone and Insta360 One X camera. It works even with EVO camera, it works with iPhone, it works with Android phone. I like Android phone because I can do much more stuff with the phone. But this is in the next video. And actually it's very simple to do this. Open your video. Choose your one by one wide format because we want to see everything. Open view finder. And now actually it's most important step. You must do 3 things at the same time. By holding record button, dragging this button to the right side and lifting your phone up or doing this angle. And all these 3 things you must do in the same time. Just like this. Oh, very easy, isn't it? If you start to rotate your phone, video also starts to rotating. That's amazing. It's very simple, very easy to do that, and very nice looking cool trick. I hope you like this video. Enjoy, don't forget to subscribe, and maybe I see you in my next video. Bye bye.